In this video, learn how to use the Faculty Provost Allocation screen in the Salary Planner. This page is used for Provost Allocations. Provost Allocations are entered for merit-eligible tenured or tenure-track faculty. The Provost Allocations are required to be completed before the faculty salary recommendations of chairs and directors can be approved. First, navigate to the Salary Planner. Use the steps in the How to Log In to Salary Planner video to access this page. On the Salary Planner page, expand the Manager Recommendation menu. In the expanded menu, select Faculty Provost Allocation. This will open the Faculty Provost Allocation screen. Provost allocations are entered by deans, except for Milner and Mennonite College of Nursing, also known as MCN, which are entered by the Provost. The search criteria that are on this screen will be entered with your information by default. No information will need to be entered or changed. Click the Search button. A FAC, or Faculty Sheet, includes a list of all tenured or tenure-track faculty, abbreviated as TTF, in the college who are eligible for the merit process. If you have an NA sheet, this lists employees that report to you or someone below you in the hierarchy that aren't eligible for the merit-based salary increase process. No changes need to be made to an NA sheet. Select any field in the FAC row to open the sheet. The Faculty Provost Allocation page will appear. There are 4 sections on this page: the header, the Employees Information area, the Totals section, and the footer. At the top left of the header section, your name is listed as the approver. The Provost budget indicates the amount available for Provost allocations. For this demonstration, the Provost allocation increase percentage is 0.2%, which is based on a 2% merit increase. This is multiplied by the total monthly pay rate of the employees listed. As you enter allocations in the sheet, the remaining Provost budget will update to show how much is left to be allocated. The Submit button is also located in the header section. It is the final action taken to send the recommendations to the approver. However, entries are required to be saved before submitting. The Save button is located in the Footer section. In the Employees section, view a record for each merit-eligible tenured or tenure-track faculty in your college. Click the column headers to sort the employee data by the data in that column. Click the Details icon in an employee row to view more detailed information. On the far right, a table icon is displayed. Click this icon to open the data in the Employees section in an Excel spreadsheet. This can be used to review the data. However, recommendations are required to be entered in Salary Planner to be submitted. The checkboxes in the first 3 columns are grayed out and cannot be changed. A checked box indicates yes. These columns indicate whether the faculty member is eligible for the merit process, if they were evaluated as satisfactory in the prior calendar year, and the method in which salaries and iPeople will be updated. The standard increase is already provided. This represents 0.36% based on a 2% merit increase. This increase is automatically given to all listed faculty that were evaluated as satisfactory. The performance evaluated increase has been entered by the chair or director. The performance budget is 1.44% of the old pay rate totals based on a 2% merit increase. Enter the Provost allocations. For this demonstration, the amount available for allocation is 0.2% of the total pay rate based on a 2% merit increase. It is cleanest to enter these as whole dollars, but they can also be entered as a percent. If the increased recommendations you enter go over the Provost budget amount, an error message will appear. Make adjustments to the increased amounts you've entered to correct this error. Not all faculty are required to receive these allocations. The Total section shows the total standard allocation, total performance allocation, and the total provost allocation. Old pay rate totals and new pay rate totals are shown as well. New pay rate totals are calculated by the following equation: old pay rate totals plus total standard allocation plus total performance allocation plus provost allocation. Save your recommendations by clicking the Save button in the footer section. You can return later to make changes to your recommendations. However, confirm that the Save button is clicked each time a change is made. Once all recommendations have been entered appropriately and saved, return to the header section and click the Submit button. A message will be displayed asking if you are ready to submit. If you are ready, click the OK button. You'll receive a message indicating your submission has been successful. Alternatively, click the Cancel button to cancel your submission if you are not ready to submit. A system-generated email will be sent to the next approver once all of their direct reports have completed their recommendations. Scroll down to the Footer section to return to the search page. You may then log out or select another menu option.